Today, I'm excited to be checking out the CPU water block I bought for Alpha Source, and I'll also be prepping it for install. Welcome back to Tectonic Systems, and this is the EK Quantum Magnitude CPU water block, and I'm going to be unboxing and going over the features as I disassemble and prep it for install. Let's get to it. I'll be installing this in a later video, so for right now I'm going to disassemble the water block and talk about the different features, and while I do this I'm going to be checking for any contaminants and wiping things down. Using the supplied Allen wrench, we're going to start with the cold plate, which is right here. The cold plate's subtly curved to allow the best possible contact with the integrated heat spreader, or IHS, of the CPU that you're using. The IHS is the top of the CPU that has the markings of what the CPU is, its model, and different information. It touches the CPU die directly and transfers the heat from the die into the heat spreader and then onto the cooler's cold plate. The EK Quantum Magnitude allows you to swap the cold plate to a completely flat one if you modified or changed the IHS to get better contact. Once the screws are removed, you can just lift the cold plate right off and it reveals the jet plate, which is right here. You will have to swap out your jet plate if you are using a flat cold plate. You can then remove the frame and access the accent piece. You can swap the accent piece out for a different color or material finish. If you even wanted to make your own with a 3D printer or a CNC machine, you definitely could. EK also sells many different accents as well. What's really nice is that EK also sells the different parts, so if your block is getting older and worn, or an LED goes out after warranty, or you want to change up the look, you'll be able to replace or change the look by purchasing the parts separately. The last great feature of the EK Quantum Magnitude is that you have the ability to reverse direction of the flow through the block. To do this, just remove the insert here and turn it 180 degrees and replace it, and you've reversed the flow direction. Unfortunately, you're not able to do 90 degrees, only 180. I'm going to be using the factory orientation, so I'm just going to change this back. Now I'm just going to wipe everything down with a microfiber cloth to make sure everything's nice and clean and there's no fingerprints. Tighten your 4 screws with your fingers to get them started. Tighten these screws down in a crisscross pattern, and these do not have to be super tight, and you don't want to use excessive force. And the CPU water block is ready for install. The EK Quantum Magnitude is an exceptionally high quality CPU water block, and I'm super excited to get it into alpha source so that we can see how it performs, especially since we're going to be overclocking. You can click here to check out more Tectonic Systems videos, and as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.